Welcome to the Hands-on Superhealth health journey. Your health is our main concern. We're here to help you and serve you to achieve your best. We take a logical and methodical approach. We understand that the body works in layers and the body has its own priorities. Over 30 years we've developed many systems that create a logical pathway to help your body achieve and find health. Health is dynamic. Health is the product of many inputs, and it could be said that the classical concept of a triad of health really looks at the body's own priorities and rectifies them to create a wholeness that gives you the best experience in your body. We believe that there's structural components, biochemical components, and emotional components. The structure allows us to move well in gravity and make the body efficient in movement and supporting itself, so it's primary and important. So our focus when we first meet you is to understand how efficient you are in gravity and how well your body can serve you. Your biochemical body is the rate at which it might heal and repair. We want to reduce oxidative and inflammatory stress because these two things drive all disease processes. So we're going to understand more about you in that area, and then thirdly we're going to look at the emotional components, that the thought patterns that make us do the same thing every year and making you often the same resolution. So very rarely do you wake up and say, I don't want to lose weight anymore. You just find you're not doing the things that you thought you'd start doing, or while you don't move into the next phase of your life with excitement, changing jobs, taking on new challenges. So thoughts create our actions and actions create outcomes. So at Hands-on Superhealth we're very focused on you as an individual. We want to understand you, get to know you and help you achieve dreams that you may have decided to let go because you aren't sure that you can achieve them. So if your dream is to live better and express yourself to your maximum, which you're allowed to keep moving up, move the gateposts, that's when you contribute more to the world and leave a legacy that lasts. So our legacy to you is that we will help you achieve your very best and offer more to the world. Please get in touch with us and let us help you achieve more every day. Look forward to speaking to you soon.